Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have this Diamond Forge ladder, and let's open it up and see what we get inside and see how it works. Give you kind of like perspective. These are 7-foot walls in my shed. I just put it up, and I definitely need a smaller ladder just to kind of get inside and around, hanging up shelves and stuff in here. Different various hooks that I'm going to need to put stuff on. So let me just close up my Leatherman here real quick. All right, so it comes wrapped in plastic, so it's definitely traveled well, packed well. Get all the plastic off. So just kind of give you an idea. That's how the ladder looks and opens up super easy. And then let's put it next to my walls here. And nice and sturdy. And you got your 3 steps. And then you got that top step, and it's got that little rail on it. And you can tell I can reach the top of my shed no problem. It's got the nice handles on it, nice soft. And yeah, great little ladder. And when you're done, easily just pull up from the front, and it pulls right up for you. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.